Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2026 Ford F-150 and I will show you which fuse to check in case your front wipers are not working. So I'll show you the front wiper motor fuse, which is the first thing to check. This video will apply to Ford F-150s made from 2024 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Front wipers fuse will be located in the main fuse box, which is just behind the battery here under the front hood. To remove the cover, there's like a black tab here. You want to press it and lift up and then maneuver this cover away from here. It's a bit tight space to work, but it's definitely doable. Okay. And the wipers motor fuse will be this 30M fuse located right here. Now if this fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You'll want to test the wiper switch first, then you want to check the wiring and electrical connections towards the wiper motor, and then you want to test the wiper motor itself. But start with the fuse. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.